Hello, welcome back to 5% Chicken Review. Today we are going to be testing out the
Utica Pizza in North Syracuse. We got some medium wings to try, and we got some Utica style to try. Utica is like an everything style because they had medium, hot, mild, barbecue.
What was the
Stop
other
playing
one?
with stuff
There's
on the
one-
screen because people can hear you. I'm gonna stop playing with stuff.
I'm putting it away.
I'm not starting over. People are gonna see this, and they're gonna see my disgust with you. No.
Yeah.
It's open. Can't do it. Alright, let's crack these bad boys open before I crack this kid
Guess
open.
what? There's gonna be something that you guys will like.
Oh, yeah. Celery and blue cheese celery. They get extra points for that.
That's kind of rude for celery. Could have eaten it.
I'm just eating it. So, they come in these nice little packages. Look at that.
That was really nice.
I know. If you're an environmentalist, you might not like it because
That's a
a lot of
strong
waste.
smell.
It's a strong smell. And we know Lucci doesn't like strong smells. That is going to be the Utica style because it looks like it's got cheese on it. And this will be the medium style.
I want to try the Utica.
Okay, so these are the Utica style. And then these are the medium style. And Lucci's going to choke like he always does. So we will try the Utica style first.
I want this one.
They are potent. They smell wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have napkins, so this is going to be a messy mess.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some.
Yeah, let's go get the napkins real quick before we take a bite here. Rookies. We're rookies. Just grab them all, man. You don't have to grab one single napkin. Man, we're... Oof, jeez.
Ooh, this looks good. 3, 2, 1. You will actually yell at them. Mmm. If you have like flavor, this is the wing.
That's very good. You don't like flavor either.
Yeah, I don't really.
You eating it or what?
That has to be really good, guys.
Wow. Yeah. Great flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well.
Yeah, this is a tough
That's
one.
very good. That wing's awesome.
Is it better than Bugman?
It might be. I'm trying to figure out if I'm just, hungry, crazy. That's a very good wing. It's got good flavor. Great flavor. It's got a little bit of kick, not too much. That's really good. Not super crisp, but not soggy. Not rubbery. Good chicken.
This is tough. There's some milk on waffles.
I'm gonna have to. I think it's taking over my top spot. It's gonna be an 8.5.
Wait, wasn't the other one at 8.3?
Yeah.
So
What are you thinking?
Hmm.
That's a very good wing. I'm impressed.
I don't think if this is better than last week's. I'll tell you. This is tough. I'm gonna have to do a tie. 8.9.
8.9.
A tie for.
All right. Well, I guess we have to try the medium now. Let's see how the medium stacks up. Grab yourself a medium, little boy. What? What are you looking at? Oh. We have people in the background. That's the medium.
Ooh, this one nice.
You ready?
Yeah. That has tons of flavor.
Yeah. A lot of sauce. Good kick.
How come Oh, I really need a napkin for sure for this one.
Yeah, they do not skimp on the sauce.
This is a good sauce.
Yeah. I think the Utica style is better. I think I like that little, the parm garlic added on to the heat. It's delicious. That's my favorite wing so far. But these, for a medium wing, these are very good. I'm probably going to rank them for a medium. You know, it's got the good flavor, it's got the good heat, good chicken. I think 8.2 for the medium. And my top spot now, Utica style 8.5. What are you thinking? You said 8.9 for the Utica. What do you think about the medium?
I'm going to consider them better than the Redmonds. I might go with 8.2.
8.2? So we're about the same. They're delicious. Utica pizza. Try them out for wings. My top spot, near his top spot. Yep. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Give us some suggestions. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend.